1.4h. Let's have a look. Now here the figure shows a square ABCD, size 20 cm. E and F, these 2 points, lying on AB, E lying on AB and AD respectively. Now BE equals x cm, DF equals x plus 2 cm. Part A, find the area of triangle CEF. So in this situation, how to find the area of CEF, this triangle? Yeah, you think it. Maybe you use the square minus 3 triangles, right? You're correct. So think about it. Part A. Then what is AE? The length of AE, yeah, 20 minus x cm. How about AF? Yeah, 20 minus x plus 2 cm, right? So this one, 18 minus x cm. Then it's not difficult for you to find out the area of CEF, right? First, area of square ABCD, so 20 square. Then minus this one, 20 times x over 2, right? How about this one? 20 times x plus 2 and then over 2, right? So 20x over 2 and then 20 times x plus 2 over 2. And the last one, AE times AF. And then all together over 2. All correct. So at the end, I write like this. 2. So here 800 minus 20x minus 20x minus 40. And then minus 360 plus 38x minus x squared. All cm squared, all together divided by 2. So lastly, we can solve it like this. Negative x squared minus 2x plus 400 cm squared. Right. So that's great. Good. Part B. Part B. Now here area of triangle, this one at least. Pay attention at least. Okay, 176 cm, find the maximum length of BE. So again, inequality. This one at least 176 cm square. That means greater than this one or equals to this one. At least this, that means include this value, right? So 400 minus, maybe write like this. Negative x squared minus 2x plus 400 greater or equals 352, right? Then simplify and rewrite it, the coefficient of x squared be positive. Then you get this one. See, here becomes smaller than 0. So you can factorize now. What are 2 factors? Again, 3 seconds for you. Yeah, the answer, x plus 8 times x minus 6. Inequality, positive coefficient of x squared, smaller than 0. That means in between 2 values. So this one. Smaller one, negative 8. Greater one, 6. Good. Someone will think that. Still have some condition, right? Last time you know about the parallelogram condition. Yeah, this one and this one. Greater than 0, right? So you need to think. x plus 2 greater than 0, x greater than 0, right? Correct. Think about this one. That means x greater than negative 2. Maybe this one is more better for you to including the inequalities. That means this time this one and this one, right? So at the end, x greater than 0 and smaller than 6. What is the maximum length? Yeah, 6 cm. Correct. Okay? So you see, you can solve this one by the inequality. Okay? And now I think you remember when we solve this kind of question, think about the length should be positive. Okay, so altogether you can get the correct answer for x. We still have part C. Have a look. Is it possible for area of CEF to exceed 220 cm square? Explain your answer. Okay, this time, what do you think? Okay, maybe I use here 1.4 G, question C. Okay, I let y cm square be the area of triangle CEF, and y we can write as 1/2 half of negative x squared minus 2x plus 400, right? Yeah, use completing square to help us this time. Okay, I write as negative 1/2 times x squared plus 2x, and then plus 200. Expand this one to the constant part. And here, how to rewrite as a completing square form? Good. X squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 here. And you found that this one, x squared plus 2x plus 1, and then minus 1 times negative 1/2 plus 200, right? At the end, this one perfect square, good. And then this one add up together plus 200 and 1/2, right? And you found that this one, oh, it should be smaller than 200 and 1/2, right? It must smaller than 220, right? So the question asks is it possible area to exceed 220? It must smaller than this one, so it is impossible for the area of triangle CEF to exceed 220 cm square. Understand? Okay. By completing square, okay, you can check the maximum value. A is negative, so this value is maximum, right? Perfect square can equal 0, so for the value of the area, it must smaller or equals to 200½ okay? So it must smaller than 220. So impossible for the area of triangle CF exceeds 220 cm square. Okay? Hope you understand clearly.